Hi guys, hi, good afternoon. Hope you guys are doing amazing. For me, I'm doing well, as you can see. Anyway, today is Wednesday and I'm just about to leave the house. Mia just got back from school not too long, but I have to step out because I have an appointment with my friend Wura of Wura.ng. She wants us to do something together for her brand, so I'm heading over to her store in a bit and you guys will come along with me as always. Then after that, I would probably go to my parents' house. I'll drop Mia off there now as I'm going out, but I'll return there obviously to pick her up, and then I need to do something for my mom. Yeah. I need to do something for my mom and then also discuss some things with her. So yeah, that is the itinerary for today. How do I look today, guys? Do I look cute? Do I look pretty? How do I look? Let me know in the comment section below. Okay, so I just finished uploading a video to go up in less than an hour. So I am glad I have been able to do that before I head out. And yeah, let me go and put together a little bag for Mia Rose for the next couple of hours. And yeah, you guys come along with me. Let's go. Mia, what in the World War V is happening here?
I'm just playing.
You're just playing? You're just playing and your room looks like this? Mia, 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 you're gonna hurt yourself.
Oh.
You see, you're gonna hurt yourself, girlfriend.
Hi.
Oh yeah, come on, wear your trousers. Sorry.
I love you so much.
I love you too, baby.
I love you.
I love you too, girlfriend. This is the brain behind Wura and all their. See my fellow Oyibo and all her amazing colorful pieces. Guys, check her out. So she has Christmas sale coming up soon. Christmas, what do you call that thing?
Our Christmas, the Wura Christmas cookout.
Oh, it's a cookout.
Yes, cookout. So there'll be grills.
I'll be here live.
Grills. You were live at the last one, so
definitely I'm going to be here.
And drinks, and then loads of discount, and then fabulous pieces. We're making our Christmas party essential.
Yes.
Exclusive.
Yes.
It's only on the Christmas party they use.
Yes.
And
So.
it is sell out.
Yes.
So.
Anyway, guys, this is outfit number 1 for our video. This is my own outfit. So we're twinning. Mine is blue, and hers is, I don't know what color that is. Olive and wine. So let's go shoot. It's a wrap, guys. It's a wrap. Oh. These cookouts, me, I'm looking forward to it because people know I love food. I have to come. In fact, I'm coming for the food first on the day before the clothes. Yes.
Chop, Alma.
That's me. No shame in my game. After work comes enjoyment with this madam. So guys, we came to have drinks and chops and choppings.
We don't talk about nothing no more. Nothing. We don't talk about nothing no more.
Mia. You guys, you see my mom, My mom has refused.
Refuse to leave crypto powder alone.
Call my baby girl.
Popsy over there. Are you really crying, Mama? Because grandma did not support you for once. Your grandma pets you too much. So when she scolds you once, you take offense. Go fear now.
Yeah, grandma's baby.
Ibe.
You guys, my mother has refused to leave cream to powder alone. See this cream to powder. Before, initially it was, what brand are you using before? Fashion Fair. Please, people should help me. Fashion Fair that they were even in America, no Fashion Fair. I now introduced my mother to Zaron, and even this has Zaron cream to powder now. It's no longer. It's out of stock everywhere. Once this her makeup is quarter to finish, she will call me, Mama, Mama. My powder is finished, you know. I'll go and be looking for it. Luckily, I might find it in one store or the other. Now, it's no longer available anymore. I'm telling you, try this her shade. It's no longer available. So I've had to now finally beg her to please leave cream to powder life and move to foundation life. I'm going to bring her into the foundation life now, cause you guys, this is the last of the last.
And they've gone to all the Zaron outlets in Abuja.
And they can't find it.
They can't find this Zaron.
Yes, now.
They can't find this crypto powder, this shade.
Yeah.
And it's such a...
And you like it a lot.
You know, because it's so easy for me.
Yeah, I know.
It's so easy for me.
It's so easy. So I had to literally bring this. You guys know I've been working with Flawless Ivy all year. So I had to bring this carton of foundations I had and finally give her, I had to shade match her and find a shade for her to now start using. At least let her start using foundation small. Because I cannot be suffering like this. I literally had to shade match her and I gave her one. And all of these are not even my shades. Like these are dark shades. I may do a giveaway for Christmas, so you guys. I might do like a makeup giveaway for Christmas. So stay tuned to the channel. Very soon I have a lot of makeup that I cannot use. So look at all of these. So I definitely may give out makeup for Christmas very soon. Alright?
What of from you keep from me?
I'll keep for her. See how you're already booking makeup for Melba. Did she ask you? Did she ask you?
She doesn't have to keep for her.
Dodom.
In fact, I'm so Mama
Guinea. Okay, the puff. Sorry, ma.
I said one of my people are laughing at me. 2 days ago I saw somebody that I'm far better than. One of my sister's friends. I sent her a Ashwebi. And I told her, I gave her my account number and everything. The next thing she said, Nikki, so tomorrow now we go to the bank. I said, you go to the bank. Do it transfer. Now. She said, and she doesn't have the
bank app
that she doesn't do that. She will go to the bank.
In this modern day and age?
I said, I can't believe this. I said, don't tell me that you are analog, that my children should come and
hear this one. You will know that you are not analog at all. I'm obsessed with things that have to do with kitchen, cooking. Yeah. She's becoming very interested in that. Baby. Hey, baby. Show yourself. So, hey, yes, girl. Hey, hot fairy nuts. The only hot fairy nuts of Abuja. The only moms that branch of ABJ. Hi guys. So we are at Santorini today. We're going to be having a full-on table. So expect the content on Instagram. Just in case you would have seen it by now by the time this vlog is going up. But it's gonna be food galore. And of course, in true Santorini style, this place actually looks like Santorini. So it's more like Santorini in Abuja. Do you get? Yeah. So I'll show you guys what it looks like anyway, so you guys can see. But yeah. Happy. Hey, wahala. I love it.
This text, I know it's a toss up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Hey, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. wanna do? Look, I'm trying to spend this time with you. Know we overdue. What you doing right now? Baby, won't you swing my way? It's been a day and I've been thinking out loud. I know I want you. Long time since the last time. Got a tab, we can run up. Knew you from the way, now we grown up. My look, yeah, made the realest ones nervous. But if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash land. We could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. This text, I know it's a toss-up.
Hi guys, good morning my loves. Hope you guys are doing good. Monday morning, okay, top of the morning. And I think for me, I don't like to work on Mondays. I feel like because the whole world works on Mondays, I tend to, sorry I'm sweating guys, it's really hot. I tend to not want to work on Mondays. So for me, I take Mondays off most weeks. Mondays are those days where I don't really do much with regards to work, and most times for me work week starts like on Tuesday. Do you get? Except on weeks where I have like mad deadlines and I have things to meet up with and all of that. Normally I prefer to just lounge on Mondays and not do much, and or use Mondays to do other things, maybe for my house, maybe like rush to the market, run some errands, you know, do something aside what I do for a living. So yeah, today, this Monday is one of those kind of Mondays, okay? And I am just using today to want to do something like, you know, cook up something. So I'm going to the market to pick up a few things, and when I come back I'll cook. I think I want to make stew, like assorted protein stew, like chicken, beef, you know, and all of that. See guys, see, let me tell you something. Let me give people advice. With how crazy and how bad, you know, living in Nigeria is currently, you know, the economy and all of that. Like I saw this sound on Instagram, no matter what you do, it's well. Like I feel like if all else fails, just share it well. Anything that you can afford to eat, eat it and eat it well, because more problem not a finish. Make it try day, enjoy you. You guys get, always try to eat well. So in regards to everything going on, like I always just feel like, oh my goodness, see, I got to eat well so that I can find comfort in the food I'm eating, so that when I'm eating the food I'll be happy, I'll be joyous, I'll forget my sorrows, forget my everything, forget things happening in the world, in the country. Do you guys understand? So yeah, it's crazy. I don't think I'll make soup today, maybe like tomorrow. No, tomorrow is busy for me, so maybe like next tomorrow I'll make soup. But yeah, anyway, that's that. I'm going to go to the market and also enter one of these grocery stores around to pick up some supplies. Meanwhile, Mia started exam today. I think it's their first term exam. Anytime I see Mia writing exam, it's like, what is she writing? Is it Oxford or Cambridge? Like, it's crazy. But she's writing exam anyway. Whether it's coloring exam or ABC exam, it's still exam. So they started exams today, which is good because it just means that they will be closing earlier than I thought. Today is 28th November, so hopefully before the 10th of December they should be done with school for the year, you know, because I have some December plans that I need to put in place. You get me? Let me know what your December plans are in the comment section below. Are you traveling for Christmas? What are you doing? Are you staying put? Because even me, I feel like this December, if it's not important, I don't think you need to travel. That's my own stand, especially if you're going anywhere by road. I mean, the roads are terrible and the kidnappings going on, the killings going on. It's just not safe. Like if you're going home for Christmas because you want to go home, just because you want to continue doing that tradition, not because there's anything really happening there, I feel like you can just skip it. Because except you're flying, except maybe you're going to a city where you can fly direct, okay? If not, I feel like it's not even worth it. Like, it's not even worth it, honestly. If I cannot travel somewhere with a direct flight in Nigeria right now, if I cannot go somewhere with a direct flight, I'm not going. That's it. I beg, I love my life too much. Anyway, that is that about my little talk. Let's enter the market and do a few things. All right. Beef, not good.
Soft.
Very soft. Some people they like hard meat. Some people they buy hard meat and they like and they prefer them. I don't like hard meat, so it has to be soft.
They no goat meat.
I'm not goat meat today. I don't tire. I beg. What could be this? 200. 200. Why?
Very expensive.
Hey, wahala dey for this country. Eh? 200. Give me 500 naira. No, give me 3 now. Don't they beat them now?
They beat them already. Maybe the first goal.
They don't score the third one. Wahala. Wahala for Africa. This World Cup. Wahala for Africa. This World Cup.
You don't be so. Say what you go be. You go be.
Honestly.
This one is one.
Okay. Okay. 6, Abby. How's all long?
That's how we stay alive. We keep on telling lies. That is how we stay alive. So you know that I don't mind about what is wrong and what is right. We keep moving in different rhythms. Still I know what you feel. We keep moving in different rhythms. Two different minds telling lies. That's how we stay alive. At least we try to survive. We're not the ones to hide. Two different minds.
Hi guys, hi. Hope you guys are doing good. I don't even know how many times I ask you guys, hope you guys are doing good in one vlog, but I legit always want to know how you guys are doing. Okay, am I being too caring? I don't know. But anyway, I just want to wish you guys a happy new month. This vlog should be going on the 2nd of December or so. So happy new month to you. Welcome to December. Congratulations if you're watching, you made it to the last month of the year. A lot of people did not make it to the last month of this year, and for that we should really be thankful and grateful for life. So I'm super duper happy that you and I are here to witness the end of the year, or basically the last month of the year. Yeah, anyway, that being said, I will not be doing vlogmas this year. Yes guys, I just have too much going on. Okay, I have too much going on, and I will be completely, in fact, I won't even be able to. This is not a case of, okay, I can and I'll be burnt out. I will not even be able to. I will not. So there's no point trying to say, oh, I will be burnt out if I do it. It's not about being burnt out. It's about not being able to even do it. So I will not be able to do vlogmas this year. All right, my apologies if you were waiting for my vlogmas series to start. It's not happening this year, guys. I'm so sorry. Like, it's not happening. But I would be uploading my content as regularly as I have always been, 3 times a week. On weeks that I'm too busy, 2 times. But yeah, my regular uploads will continue as normal. And yeah, that's basically what I wanted to come and tell you guys at the end of this vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you enjoyed watching, let me know in the comments section down below. Subscribe, thumbs up, share.
Subscribe.
Oh yeah, I told them to subscribe.
Subscribe, thumbs up, and share my video.
My video. Oh, by the way, did you guys see Jessie a nice fashion content? Our transformation video that was going viral. But we are going to do more fashion content because he seems to enjoy. Jessie, you weigh like an elephant.
Nope.
You are big. You are heavy. But anyway, guys, we'll do more fashion content for you guys, so expect a couple more coming this month. That's all I have for you in this vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. Let me know in the comments. Subscribe, thumbs up, share. I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah, 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 mwah. Bye.